Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Science. In the previous video we discussed the basics of laser and terms like absorption, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. Moving a little ahead, in this video we will see what is population inversion, pumping process and metastable state. Let's study them one by one. First of all, population inversion. In usual case, you will find that more number of atoms are present in the ground state and less number of atoms are present in the excited state. So this is the usual scenario, but when this picture is modified, that is more number of atoms are present in the excited state as compared to the ground state, then we can say population inversion has occurred. So it is simply the condition where number of atoms in excited state is more compared to the number of atoms in ground state. Now these atoms will come to the ground state giving out laser light. So population inversion is necessary for lasing action. Moving ahead, what is pumping process? Now the process by which we will achieve population inversion is called as pumping process. Here we discuss that more number of atoms are present in the excited state, but we need to send those atoms to the excited state, and the process by which we send the atom from ground state to the excited state is nothing but the pumping process. You can read this as process by which atoms are sent to excited state is known as pumping process. In this figure you can see my atom was initially in the ground state. I am hitting it with a photon. The photon is transferring its energy. Now this atom has gained enough of energy and it will move to the excited state. So this is what pumping process is all about. Now there are numerous ways to do so. Examples are optical pumping, excitation by chemical reaction, electrical discharge, etc. When we study helium neon laser, the pumping process is by electrical discharge. Moving ahead to the last term, that is metastable state. The atom was in ground state, it gains energy and it moves to excited state, where it stays for this much of time. Next it will come to the metastable state. Now here at the metastable state, this will stay for a pretty long time, that is for 10⁻³ seconds. Now this is more as compared to 10⁻⁸ seconds. So we can say more number of atoms are present in metastable state and population inversion has occurred. Now these atoms from metastable state will come to the ground state giving out light. So lasing action will be performed. Such states like metastable states are not created. In fact, existence of metastable state helps a researcher in deciding which element will be useful for population inversion. So this was all about this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.